I hope that you have not revealed your job title and company names.
And it was just sort of funny, easier.
Can I have your attention, please? You have 20 minutes to go around the room completely randomly to find someone who is unlike you. Just exactly the opposite of a normal networking event to go and find someone. Deliberately someone that is not similar to you.
After life, work, everything, and after like
We don't know the titles, we don't know what you do. We're more talking about what are your goals, and start talking from there. So I like that experience that is more about what are your challenges and your future and your goals.
The job titles are taking away from us being human. What truly matters is who we are. The job titles can change, but you as a human being will not change. And this is exactly what we want to invest in, our own selves, not in our job titles.
Business and growing business is done by people. It's done at the individual level. So it's people doing business with people. Don't focus necessarily on that system, on that process, on that organization, on that sector, but it's finding the people within there, understanding their motivations and partnering with them to achieve their goals. So it's very much more at that human level.
the product might change according to the requirements and our life expectations, but the core value of the product is the relationship that you're creating with your customer.
One of the things that I can be really proud of is to bring science to business. So what we try to do is to be always evidence-based. We just don't guess how to solve business problems. We always go to the fundamentals and help businesses to find real solutions to real-world problems.
This Scottish-Persian alliance is that Nick and I have formed is probably about 8 or 9 years old. I mean, beyond that, there's probably 4 or close to maybe even 5 decades of fixing business problems, helping organisations find smarter ways of working to ultimately achieve more. But in addition to that, now we're taking those skills and that expertise to help individuals achieve more.
In the grand scheme of things, networking is just relationship management. There is a lot of psychology behind that because there's a lot of psychology on how people interact with each other.
I've really enjoyed tonight, so that's going to make me lean towards meeting people from different backgrounds, from different industries and experiences.
Whatever input people put into machines come from humans. If the relationship that you build with your customer develops over time, I think the result could only be positive.
The best thing to do when you network is to do it authentically.
These kinds of events where you're face to face, you're in the same room, and you can make an authentic judgment on who someone really is without them being able to hide behind social media. You meet someone authentically and you can make much deeper connections that way. It just becomes a much more productive and a much more efficient way of doing relationship building.
So it's quite interesting to see we're completely different, but we have similar goals and we can support each other.
We didn't get you to go and mix and mingle with people that you liked and they were similar to you, but as Sloan shared, those differences are meaningful and actually building more human connections because we are 99% similar and only 1% different. The real opportunities are not happening behind computer screens. It happens when people come together, connect with each other genuinely, and discover something together. And basically embrace the humanity in this age of technology.